I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got a review for you guys, a magical review. We're going to actually, for like the first time ever I think on this channel, review a Harry Potter bag. Now I'm really excited to get into this. This is a bag I purchased so I could use it when I go to work. As you can see, it came in this plastic sleeve. I currently, to go to work, have been using my Monsters university bag, and for a period I used the Bambi bag from Pet & Co that I reviewed. I will link those reviews up above for you guys. But I was finding that I needed to take a second bag with me for my lunch, because especially my Monsters U bag, I'm not putting my lunch in there considering it was like near $100 and they're very, very expensive. Now I bought this on discount. I don't think there is a price. No, there isn't a price on it. But I bought this off a website called Blue Banana. I think it was Blue Banana. Let me just check on my phone and I'll be back with you. So, this I bought, as I said a minute ago, and I was correct, I bought it off Blue Banana. It was on sale on that website for £15. And usually Hype is a very expensive brand and you will probably pay £30 plus for this bag. Now I do not know, I will say, if this is available anywhere else. The only place I've seen it recently is on Blue Banana, because this bag was released a while ago. This is a Wizarding World official bag, as you can see by the tag at the back. And the tag does contain all the copyright information at the bottom. And this was a collaboration that the Wizarding World did with Hype. Now, I am absolutely in love with this bag. Obviously, as you can tell, I went for the Weasley Wizard Wheezes print. I'm a big Weasley Twins fan and I could not pass it up. So this is what I would call an AOP all over print. It is very like loud, a little bit in your face, probably, and it is covered just like in Patterns, Weasley Wizard Wheezes. It's got things on it that they sell. We've got one big pocket at the top and a small pocket at the bottom. This Hype patch is an applique that was sewn on. I can see some excess thread here, which I am just going to cut with some scissors and hope that nothing else happens. The bottom pocket is a small, probably just a bit larger, I would say, than the pocket you would find on a loungefly, more width-wise. In terms of depth, I would say they are roughly the same. It might be slightly bigger. If you go down here, it has a little plaque with a cover on it, which I will, if I can. Yes, I can. Take the cover off. It says HP for Harry Potter with the golden snitch, and it has the Hype symbol. This plaque, this is rubberized. It's not metal like the loungefly ones, but that's perfectly alright. The bottom pocket, if I didn't mention, comes with 2 bag clips. One that says Harry Potter, and then you've got this fluffy one. Now I will say, this fluffy keyring I do not like. I'm not a big fan of puffy key rings like this, and I'll be probably taking this off. If we go into the big pocket at the top, the lining inside, as you can see there, is black and it just says hype all over it. There is not really on the inside any inside pockets. There's no laptop pocket, which is perfectly alright because I do not need a laptop pocket or inside pockets for work. I'm more interested in just sticking my lunch in here, my drinks bottle, having a place for like my travel mug once I finish my tea. But there's plenty of room in here for all of that, and I'll be able to store my coat in here as well and things like that. And I will probably put my phone in the front pocket here. If we look at the back of the bag, your straps have exactly the same prints as the bag, which I absolutely love when bags do that. And if they're not going to do that, then they need to choose a contrasting colour that goes with the bag and the design. But this is absolutely gorgeous. It feels really good quality, and at that price it was just a steal. They do have on this bag, I don't know if you've seen, I certainly have forgotten to mention it, these little rubberized tags that say hype on. I personally, I will say I'm not a fan of them, and I may just be cutting those off. This rubberized keychain is not too bad. It says Harry Potter, and usually keychains on a chain like this, sometimes I don't find they last very long, so I'm going to probably keep that one on there until it dies out. But these little rubber ones and this one I will be removing. I absolutely love the print of the bag. You can see it has self-writing quill. You've got Weasley. It says Mega across here, so it's Mega something. Oh, here it says Weasley's new Mega. Some of it you can't actually read what they are because the adverts are so overlaid on top of each other, but I do absolutely love this bag. Now, since doing the review, or this review for you guys today, I have not used it, but I do feel from the quality of the bag it'd be really good to use. It will hold a lot, and it just absolutely looks amazing. I'm really excited to take it to work and use it at work as my work bag. It is just stunning. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments down below on this bag and what you think of the Hype brand. They did have on Blue Banana in the same print as this from Hype a matching lunchbox, and I was tempted to have the bag and the lunchbox matching, but after a while, I don't know if you find this, but it was, the lunchbox was in, I would say, a similar like material to this, I think, by the looking of the website. The inside would have obviously been slightly different, but I find after a while those lunch boxes after lots of regular use end up smelling, and you end up, to be fair, throwing it out eventually anyway, and I don't want that to smell and then make this bag smell, if you see what I mean. But this is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to use this. I'm just so excited. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magical mischief is coming your way. I really hope you have enjoyed this magical review on my Weasley Wizard Wheezes hype rucksack, and I will see you very soon, guys. Bye!